Hey everybody, so my name is Kathy and this is my channel here on YouTube. It's called She Did That. I purchased that URL for the purposes of this channel and for my initiative. And what is that initiative, you may be asking? That initiative is one, to help traditional designers who are either just entering digital design or are digital designers but don't know anything about web development and how their designs translate to a developer. I made this channel with that audience in mind. Designers who don't know about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and how knowing it can help you design better, be more productive, help developers be more productive, and help the whole digital team be more productive. And when we're more productive and we communicate, projects turn out better, results turn out better for us, and that equates into better results for our clients, stakeholders, or the people that we're serving. So just really quickly, that is the purpose of this channel, and that is the content that will be here. Again, my name is Kathy. I am a front-end developer. I have been a front-end developer for several years, and I am transitioning myself currently, or I'm doing my best to transition into UX, because from my point of view, UX is kind of where it all starts. And on the web development side is kind of like in the middle-ish, end-ish of digital products. So I really feel I have a lot of value to offer to the audience that I just described, as well as to anyone interested in kind of knowing the ins and outs and the things that go on in the background between designers and developers, hence the products that are produced. So I just wanted to make this quick introductory video to explain that, and I hope you follow along with my content. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon. Thanks.